Why does your scanner show the P0307 engine code? What does it mean? P0307 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 7, misfire detected. The P0307 engine code for indicate your engine's computer PCM/ECM has detected that the air-fuel mixture in cylinder number 7 is failing to ignite properly, resulting in incomplete combustion. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty spark plug, defective ignition coil, bad fuel injector, low cylinder compression, vacuum or intake leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Suburban, Toyota, and Tundra. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.